We're at Motorama 2023.
We're back, second year in a row.
But this year we're going to do a little different. We went yesterday and scouted out a little bit, and I think we picked sort of 12 cars that we want to showcase. So what we're going to do is showcase 12 cars. Those are our favorite cars. They have nothing to do with any awards won or anything like that. And let me know in the comments below which one you think should win our TriXster Award.
Our TriXster Award.
Motorama 2023.
We're back, second year in a row.
It's the first one at the entrance, and it's pretty special.
Yeah,
it's a nice car.
The color scheme is really nice.
So, number one.
I'm throwing up my hands, open in these arms. Time is sliding down the wall. There is an animal living inside me, gripping my heart, slow me down. The greatest weight that I've ever held, and I can't keep it all. Won't you take it all? Let's go back to when you didn't know me. Yeah, I've come to you as the devil disguise. I know I'm my fault.
Here's number two. Both are number two. I think that's my favorite anyways. How long did it take you to build it?
4 years?
4 years to the day, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. 4 years.
That's right out of your brain?
That's out of 3 different brains. These 3 brains right here.
Nice.
I let my love run free. Does that make you sweet on me? And we can use another name, but it takes 2 to play that game. And baby, don't break your stare. I'm gonna make you feel it everywhere. And everyone's up in arms. And whoever could they be? They all thought they knew you, and everybody thought that they knew me. And maybe you are the moon, and perhaps I am the sun. It's a balancing act that I
So
can't
this little blue
explain
Porsche right here, number 3.
so
Number 3, vote for number 3.
won't you take it all? Let's go back to when you didn't know me. Yeah, I've come to you.
This Alpha, that is number 4. Number 4. It's a toss-up. I really like this one. Is that yours?
No, I built it though.
You built it?
Yeah.
Fuck, good job, man.
No.
This color is sick.
That lights up too.
No. How long did it take you to build that?
A few years.
Did you?
Off and on.
I was just like, we came yesterday to scout them out, and I was just saying, like, it takes balls to build a car like that. Like, you can build a 32 Ford, you know it's worth a ton of money, right?
Yeah,
you build
yeah.
a Chevelle, everybody's gonna buy it.
Yeah.
But this, to dump a ton of cash in here, it takes balls to build. But man, it turned out amazing. Like wide body,
Yeah.
all metal, or
Yeah. The next one's there's already one done, that's all carbon fiber. So he molded this
Really?
body shape. So instead of restoring them and making it out of metal, you can restore them out of carbon fiber now.
nice.
So like the whole front clip would be carbon fiber, the whole roof and quarters carbon fiber, the entire outer shell.
That's the way to go.
Yeah.
That's the way to go.
Yeah.
Now you can grab all the super rotten ones, and you got carbon fiber
That's
shell,
the
you put them
plan.
on.
That's right. Yeah. But even the super rotten ones are hard to come by.
Oh yeah.
They only huge money.
So this is car number 5, a 1977 Porsche 911S.
Is that yours?
Yeah, flying car.
What's that?
It's a flying car.
Is it? What year is it?
77.
77.
Yeah.
We have a 70.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't look that good. It still needs this restoration, but
It will one day.
yeah, I managed to find one, which was something else. Here's number 5. Number 5, because it's one of my favorites. I'm just a sucker for Porsche. That one's 6.
Yeah, this pink boogie van. Pretty sick.
Number?
Number 6.
All right.
I sleep in all 5 rooms, bursting through your heart as it blooms. The sky is set on fire, we're gone too soon, hiding in the craters of the moon.
Riley,
Yes.
what number is this?
Number 8.
Number 8.
Yes.
73 Chevy Vega.
Chevy Vega.
70? 73?
73. Not a car that you would expect to
We didn't
see.
scope this one out yesterday. This is like,
It just caught our eye right now.
Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife. Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard or alarmed when I come for you. I need you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move.
that sucker there, that's number 9.
To be strong, but I don't wanna go alone, no, no, no. I don't wanna go alone. No, I don't wanna go alone. Bide some time and drink.
I'm only doing this one because Kylie loves these cars. This is probably Kylie's pick right here.
You hypnotize me with the gift of your tongue. Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard or alarmed when I come for you. I want you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong, but I don't wanna go alone, no, no, no. I don't wanna go alone. No,
I'm done the Motorama edit.
You're done? Done?
I'm done.
Okay.
So, what was your favorite car?
That's hard to say. There's
Yeah.
a lot of good ones.
Yeah?
I think the one that blew me away the most, it's a toss-up between the Alfa Romeo and that Binbrook hot rod.
Yeah. They were like crazy builds.
But I think I'm gonna have to pick the Binbrook.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's number 2.
because I like hot rods, so I'll vote for number 2.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Well, I am like a Rivy diehard, but I prefer the 65 over the 63, so not that one.
That's the whole reason we put the Rivy in the video.
I know. Out of all of them, if I could take one of them home, it would have been the 36 International.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, good
That car
choice.
was like so badass, and how they engraved on the frame.
That's
It was
pretty
really cool. So that was lucky number 7.
7?
Yeah.
All right.
Also my favorite number.
Okay. Well, hurry up and finish it and post it.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Very depressing. I also got a big stretch in the inside, like the big suckers. Oh, yeah. I don't have the breast work. You got anything to go around? We were just thinking about that on the way here.
Really cool.
What year you figure that is?
These all down.